Now, this one is again from the volumes. Our question is a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug up and the earth from digging is spread evenly to form a platform 22 into 14 meters. Determine the height of the platform. Now, the situation is like this. We are digging a cylindrical well, right? Up to what height? 20 meter. So 20 meter deep we are digging this and we are getting the earth out of this. Earth is right. So what we are doing with that earth, we are making a platform, raised platform like this. So when the platform is created out of this, it is a cuboidal platform. That's how he has said that whose dimensions are 22 meter and 14 meter. Now we have to determine the height of this platform. Now, how should we think? Logically, the volume of the earth which is coming out by digging this well is equal to the volume of the earth which we have utilized in making this platform, right? So we can write that volume of the earth dug is equal to the volume of the platform. Now, since this well is in the cylindrical form, so here we will apply pi r square h. Volume of the earth dug will be pi r square h and volume of the platform will be volume of the cuboid, right? Now let's see what do we have. We have 20 meter deep well. So that means for well we have height as 20 meters with 7 meter diameter. So my radius will be 7 by 2 meters, right? And the earth from digging is spread evenly to form a platform 22 into 14. That means my length for here is 22 meters and breadth is 14 meters. He wants me to calculate up to what height this platform is raised because of this earth dug. Now let me substitute the values here. 22 by 7, radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 and height is 20. This is equal to 22 into 14 into this h which I have to calculate. Very simple now. So 2 11s are 7 and 7 will go. 2 10s are. So I am left with 770. If I shift these two down here, 14 into 22 is equal to my h, right? So 11 sevens are, 11 twos are, 2 35s are, right? 7 5s and 7 2s are. So finally my h is equal to 7 by 2 which is equal to, sorry, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 which is equal to 2.5 meters. So the height of this platform will be raised up to 2.5 meters. Right? Very simple. You just have to understand that the volume of the earth dug is the volume of the cylinder. Actually, this well is in the form of the shape of a cylinder, and that earth you have utilized in creating a platform whose length and breadth is given. Now you have to calculate the height. So you have to equalize